The Jackal is back and deadlier than ever. In season 2 of The Day of the Jackal, alliances crumble, secrets unravel, and Europe trembles as the world's most elusive assassin steps out of the shadows. Can anyone stop a ghost with the target list, or is history doomed to repeat itself one bullet at a time? The Day of the Jackal season 2 is officially happening, and this time the stakes are higher than ever. After the jaw-dropping events of season 1, the Jackal, played by Eddie Redmayne, isn't just hunting targets, he's hunting answers. Season 2 dives deep into his personal life as he embarks on a global quest to find his estranged wife Nuria and their child, while also plotting ruthless revenge against Timothy Winthrop for a massive betrayal involving $100 million contract. Fans can expect intense emotional drama paired with high-stakes espionage, as the Jackal finds himself torn between his past as a killer and his desire to reconnect with the life he left behind. Eleanor Matsura's character Zina is expected to return with a more central role, possibly as a powerful ally or a surprising new advisory. And MI6 isn't done yet. Familiar faces like Isabel Kirby and Osita Halcrow could return to complicate the Jackal's mission. Season 2 has already begun early production in 2025, and a release is expected sometime between late 2025 and mid-2026. With more flashbacks promised, deeper emotional arcs, and even deadlier missions on the horizon, this new chapter is said to be darker, more intense, and far more personal. Fans are buzzing with theories, from a dramatic reunion to the ultimate face-off between the Jackal and Winthrop. If season 1 was a masterclass in slow burn suspense, season 2 promises to explode with action, betrayal, and redemption in a way that no one saw coming. Don't miss a single moment of the suspense. Catch The Day of the Jackal season 2 and stay tuned to Prime Flix TV for all the updates like this.